Hey guys, so welcome back. Video number 2. We are currently in the woods, social distancing. As you can see, there is literally no one around. So I was asked, a couple of people asked me if I do a bike check. So yeah, this video is going to be like a bike check with some limited riding. Just floating around in the woods. Hope you like it. Thanks guys, and peace. This is my 2018/2019 Commencal Meta in gunmetal grey. I'm running a Fox X2 shock with 5 tokens. Up front I'm running a RockShox Lyric RC with upgraded internals. Cockpit wise, I'm running HopeTech E4 brakes, Renthal bar and stem, and to set it off with some death grips. Hope 205mm rotor up front with a Hope 203mm rotor in the rear, both laced to Hope Pro 4 hubs. Running Specialized Butcher 2.8 on the front with a 2.6 in the rear. For my drivetrain, I'm running SRAM GX group set with Hope pedals. No dropper post, just quick release with a BMX pivotal saddle.